down. Come on, get down there. Are you scooping? Down, core is tight, engage. Yes, this is one of my favorites. Yeah, are you smiling back there? Are you having fun with us? Takes a while to get the hang of these, yes? But once you get it, you get good at it. And then the burn sets in. Work it, work it. Come on, core tight. Come on, feet. Come on, feet. Do it. Low, lower. Now I'm feeling it. Yeah. No time for downtime. Actually, I want you to get down. And up. Come on. Lift, lift. Yeah. You got 2 more. Down and down. Feeling this. Oh, yeah. It's digging in now. It's burning. Oh, you gotta learn to love this. 4. Come on. Arms way out. Bend. 2 more. And come on. Get up off that toe. Push on that toe. Push. Are you slamming? Come on. 8, 9, and 10. Reach it. Get nice and low. Ooh. And down. Are you getting low? Lunge. Put it down. Down. Oh, come on. I want to see you go faster. The faster you run, the faster we're done. Down. Up. Feel how your body weight shifts around. 2 and up. 2. Lengthen and pull it up. Give some power to this move. 5. And curl press. Curl, press. Are you feeling that circle? Good. And now the other way. You're just drawing a circle with your knuckles on the side wall. 1. Pull. 2. Pull. Soften your knees. 3. Pull. By putting the step in here, we are trying hard to stabilize. A little balance required. Good. Step out. Good. Feel your body weight shift. Now it's pretty hard to focus on 2 things at once, isn't it? So that's part of the challenge here. We're just pushing down and up. Don't worry about the beat of the music. We are working to our own beats today. Feel free to go slower or faster, depending on the weight that you have. And 2. Now I want you to really concentrate. Pull in strong. We got 1 and 1, 2. So as you go down into that squat, you'll feel your hips shift back a little bit and bring it up with a little bit of momentum. 3 of these, 2 and 1. Again, if you're not down as low, you got to work harder to stabilize that core because you're not leaning on anything, right? Down. Let's try 2 more. And down. So we're working the side of that shoulder and down. 1 and over and over and still straightening out the arms though. So now what we're doing here is a close grip chest press, right? So you're feeling that in your triceps and in your chest and in your shoulders. Now, one side only, one side only. Get that same arm back down. Did you miss it? And let's try 2 more. Ooh, yes. Thumb to thumb and pinky to pinky. And thumb to thumb, pinky to pinky. Good. I'm going to lose my weights and show you. This is what it looks like without the weight. 2, 3, 4, and push. Good. 1, 2, slow down, 4, and push. You've got 1, down, 2, down. Now, if you're starting to concave, that's a sign that you need to take it to the knees. 2, and in. So your spine is nice and tall. We're working in that rotational plane right now. Lower. So most of the time in the workout, we're going to be doing 10 reps of everything. Not all the time. So suggesting 25s for this. Last one, down and up and up. Now on that supination, we get a little more bicep in there. Do you feel it? And this is your last one. Good. If you get to the 4th rep and it's too light, challenge yourself with something heavier. Down. Oh yeah. Feel those glutes engage at the base. Ooh, push it up strong. You got one more. Are you working it? We're not done. We got a bonus here, a bonus. Keep the tricep extension. Try 4 more. 4. Oh, soften those knees. Drive that weight up. 1 more. Here it is. Down and up. Down. Curl. Down. Up. Last one. Oh yeah, sweating all over the place. Nice. Exhale as you put that weight up. Boom. Yeah. And lift. Come on, press. Feel that cheek tighten up. You feel it? Guess what? We've been doing reps of 10 mostly. This one is 16. Hinge at that hip. Keep the back strong, long. Yeah. Shrug up. Lower down softly. I shouldn't hear your weight slamming. Pull. Down. I love it. These movements have a lot of things happening. Compound, upper, lower body. Moving together. Always. Down. Squeeze it up to the top. You sure you're feeling it? And squeeze it up. Let's go. Down and lift. You can either look straight forward to me, or as the weight goes up, you can look up to the weight. So those weights elevate right over the torso, but don't lift them so high. It's not a close grip bench press. I'm slicing my arms out to the side as I go back. Lift and back. Good. Feel how just transferring that weight to each side changes how you stabilize. So there's a little bit of a balance challenge here. You have to stabilize as you go down and up. Aim for your knees, and if you're a little more flexible, you can go lower, but don't overload your back. Make sure you can handle the weight you chose. No momentum here. It's all muscle. It's all you. Let's go. Down and draw it up. Now, like I said, you don't have to be all the way up on 4 risers. You can be lower. Stay nice and controlled on these. Heart rate gets up really high as we continue to rack. Down and up. Eyes are cast forward. Now, if you want to take this slower, go ahead and do it slower. Down. I want you to really push up with power, but you don't have to jump super high. It's a little hop, feeling the bone mass getting stronger. Yes, this is your balance challenge. Every workout always has a balance challenge somewhere, right? Whew. Now stay in the lunge and wax off and hold. Oh yeah, that feels really good. Now go over, wax on, hold that stretch. 2 and up. 3. Good. 4. Looking amazing. You might find that you're a little more limber on one side than another. That's natural. That's why when we work unilaterally, like we are now, we work out those differences. Very nice. Oh yeah. Even with no weight at all, I can really feel my body fighting to stabilize. So pick whatever version you like. Sink down, pulling back at that 45-degree angle, feeling that weight. Keep your body in good alignment. Try not to round your shoulders down. Now, switch arms. Another 8. That little break felt good, didn't it? Let's go slow. In, 2, in, 3. Come on, burn, burn. You've got it. 4 more. Down. Lift. I want you to get to a flat foot before you lift. Find your balance. Now, if your weight or your loop is restricting you too much, make sure you put it up a little higher. Do it again. Come on, push, 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 push. Work it, work it. Again, if it's getting too easy and this is becoming a belt instead of a loop down low, you're gonna wanna pull it down a little bit to increase that intensity. You got 4 more of these. Really focus on everything here. There's a lot going on. Lots of balance, lots of core stabilization, lots of muscle activity, and we're even working unilaterally. 3 dips, do it. Down, lift. And down. On the halo, I want you to keep your hips forward. Good. Circle it around. Feeling a little more fatigued on this side because you've already done some work, yes? Come on. Blow that air out. Shh. Curl. Lift. Lower. Pop. Pop. And down. And over. Over. Yeah. This feels amazing. Ugh. How are those knee lifters doing? Oh yeah. We're coming up. We're lifting. We're pushing it out there. Pushing it out. Taking it in and down. Down. Lift. Up. Curl. Hinge. Hoo-wah. This time, we're gonna curl out and in. Out and in. I got you thinking now. Brain training. Up. Up. Can I get one more set? Now we have 3 push-ups. 3, 2, and 1. Walk it back. Working that oblique. So when the weight goes down on one angle, the weight presses up to the opposite corner. It's 1/4 up. Halfway up, 3/4 of the way up, and all the way up. Cross, cross. Oh yeah. Cross, cross. 2 close grips. Oh yeah. Open chest fly. Touch your weights and your pullover. 2, 3. Now you don't want to over circle. Don't go outside of the bracket of your shoulders. Come on, exhale, push it up there. I want you to drive that way. Chia! Let's try one more like that. Down, 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 and push it up. We just need some barbed wire, right? To curl under. Over, over. Weights are one direction, bring it up, turn. Weights are the other direction. Oh yeah, turn. Keep alternating like that. I want you to think that you are a bear with its hands stuck in molasses, right? So pull that hand away from the molasses. Oh my goodness. Heels are up and turn. All right, we're gonna stay here. Keep those heels up. Tap it down, in, back, in. Now we have bar socks on, but you can do this in bare feet if you want. You can even do it in a low profile shoe if you prefer. We're gonna go down and up, down, lift, keep those heels up. Squeezing, big range of motion here. Lift and over, perfect. 2 more, 3, 4, now alternate those heels up. 2, looks amazing. You can do anything 4 more times. Famous boot camp words, right? Up. 1, 2, up. Now notice my toe is turned out. 1, 2, sweep, arm up. Go middle, up, middle, and down. So every time we change that angle, we hit the muscles in the upper arm from a different angle. Transferring the hands in the middle and shifting to a different exercise really makes the core turn on, and it's an energy shift in the body. Up, up, and open, close. So you have 2 rhythm changes here. Working on coordination. Good. So you're riding your challenge. And 4 more. 4, 3, 2. Now we're going to come forward. 2, 3, and bring it back. Pull back and cross. Good. That arm that is extended long stays long. Don't bend that arm. Now if your ball gets out of the way, readjust and fix it. This pace helps to keep the ball in better control. Down, oh yeah. These are the fun ones. Down, 2. If you tell yourself they're fun, it might work. I love the way the core gets incorporated in here. And down, up, open, and close. If you need to take a break, take a break. Exhale. Last 2. And last 1. And you are done.